In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Klarna at Square stores and online. If you like spreading purchases over time with Klarna but shop at merchants that run on Square, this guide is for you. Square has native buy now, pay later support for Afterpay, but you can still use Klarna by leveraging Klarna's virtual card. I'll walk you through doing it in person and online with a few tips to keep everything smooth. For in-store shopping, start by opening the Klarna app and generating a virtual card. This card is a one-time spending limited card that's tied to your Klarna payment plan. The app will prompt you through the creation, and you can add the card to Apple Pay or Google Pay right from there. Once it's in your mobile wallet, head to checkout. At a Square terminal, simply tap to pay with your phone or watch, just like any other contactless card. The payment routes through your Klarna virtual card, and your installments will show up in the Klarna app after the purchase is approved. Keep an eye on the total. The virtual card is typically set for a specific amount, so make sure it covers taxes and fees. If a cashier asks what you're using, you can say you're paying by card. No special explanation is needed. For online orders at sites powered by Square, you have two options. If the checkout page offers Klarna as a payment method, select it and complete the purchase through the Klarna flow. If you don't see Klarna listed, open the Klarna app and create a one-time virtual card. Use that card's number, expiration, and security code at checkout just like a regular card. Because it's one time, use it promptly and only for the intended amount. Any remaining balance won't carry over to other purchases. After you place the order, Klarna will schedule your installments and send reminders so you can stay on track. To recap, Square directly supports Afterpay, but using Klarna is still possible thanks to Klarna's virtual card, whether you're tapping in-store via Apple Pay or Google Pay, or entering the card online at checkout. This approach lets you keep using Klarna's budget-friendly installments at Square-supported merchants without changing how you shop. That's it. Follow these steps the next time you're at a Square terminal or checking out on a Square-powered site, and you'll be paying with Klarna in no time.